Hi students, today we can study exercise 12.3 question number 15. Then remaining only two questions in this chapter, question number 15 and 16. Today we can complete this chapter. Now question number 15. In figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. In here ABC is a quadrant. Then you can write solution. What are things given? Given a radius of quadrant given. A radius of quadrant. A radius of quadrant, capital letter R equal to 14 centimeter. A radius of quadrant is 14 centimeter. Then in triangle, you can see in here one triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this AC is 14 centimeter because that is radius of quadrant AC. Then AB also 14 centimeter. Then in this figure, give it a name, is D. Then in here E. D and E. Then in triangle ABC we can use Pythagoras theorem by using PG theorem, Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem means hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse in here BC. BC square equal to base. Base means AC. AC square plus height. Height means AB. AB square. BC square we don't know. BC square equal to AC square. AC how much? AC is 14 centimeter. We can write 14 square plus AB also 14 square. Then BC square equal to 14 square plus 14 square we can write 2 14 square. 2 into 14 square. Then BC square, the square bring to right side, that will be square root of 2 into 14 square. BC equal to square root give separately. We can write root 2 into root 14 square. Then 14 and square and square root cancel. Then remaining 14 root 2 centimeter. BC we got it 14 root 2 centimeter. Then what is BC? In here you can see one semicircle, that is BCEB. This is semicircle. Then when you consider this semicircle, BC is diameter, isn't it? Then therefore we can write a radius of semicircle on BC. You can take small letter R, capital letter R already we are used. Then small letter R. Then you can use R1 or R2. That one also you can use. Then small letter R is 14 root 2 divided by 2 equal to 14 and 2 cancel. You will get 7 root 2 centimeter. Now a radius of semicircle we got 7 root 2. This 14 and 2 cancel, you will get 7. Then our question, we have to find out area of shaded region. We can do area of shaded region equal to, first we will find out area of semicircle. Area of semicircle plus area of semicircle. First we will consider this semicircle. Then we will add area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. First, area of semicircle plus area of triangle. We got all figure, isn't it? Then this part, this A, B, D, C, this is area of quadrant, not shaded region, isn't it? That's why we can subtract area of quadrant A, B, D, C. Again listen in here. First we will consider area of semicircle, this part, area of semicircle, then plus area of this triangle. If you add area of semicircle and this triangle, we will get total area, isn't it? Then this part, area of quadrant, this region not shaded, that's why we will subtract that region. Then remaining part will be area of shaded region equal to area of semicircle. Which formula? Area of circle is pi r square, isn't it? Semi means half. 1 by 2 pi small letter r square, because radius of semicircle we took small letter r. Okay, that's why 1 by 2 pi r square plus area of triangle that is 1 by 2 bh. 1 by 2 into B. B means base. What is base in here? AC. AC into height. Height means AB. 1 by 2 AC into AB. Minus area of quadrant. What is area of quadrant? Quadrant means we can write 1 by 4 pi capital letter r square. Area of quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square. You have to understand what is quadrant. Quadrant means one circle we are divided 4 equal parts. This first only one part is known as quadrant. That means 1 by 4 out of 4 parts we will take only 1 by 4 pi r square. Then why I use capital letter R means in here a radius of quadrant we are written capital letter R. And we can give all values. 1 by 2 pi means 22 by 7 into r square. R square small letter r is 7 root 2. 7 root 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 into AC. AC means in this figure 14 into AB. AB also 14 minus 1 by 4 pi means 22 by 7 into capital letter R. Capital letter R already we are written, that is 14 square. One by 2, 22 by 7 into 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. 7 root 2 whole square we can write 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. This 2 and 14 cancel 7 times. 14 into 7 minus 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 square. That will be 14 into 14. Now here 7 and 7 cancel. 2 and 22 cancel 11 times. 7 and 14 cancel 2 times, then 2 and 4 cancel 2 times in here, then 2 and 22 cancel 11 times. Then remaining part we can multiple. Root 2 into root 2 2, then into 4, sorry 7. Root 2 into root 2 into 7 14 into 11. 14 into 11. 14 into 11. 14, 14, 154. 154. Plus again 14 into 7. 14 into 7. 28. Remainder 2. 9. 98. Minus, in here remaining, multiple 11 into 14, 11 into 14, then 4, 4, 1, 1, 1, 5, 4, 154, 150. Equal to 154 minus 154, that will be 0, then remaining 98 centimeter square. Question number 16. Calculate the area of designed region in figure common between two quadrants of circle of radius 8 centimeter. Radius of this quadrant given 8 centimeter. Then we have to find out area of this common region, the shaded region. Okay, some design only there. Then we can write radius of quadrant are equal to 8 centimeter. Already given there. Then sector angle theta equal to 90 degree. That also given. Then how can find out area of this common region? Before that, just give name A, B, C, D, all the coordinates. Then in here, E, the side is in middle F. Two more names, give it E and F. Then we can write area of design. Area of design equal to 2 into area of sector A, B, E, D minus area of triangle A, B, D. Listen here. We'll not consider all the figure, take it only this part. And here, if we consider only this part, look now. First we will find out area of sector A, B, D. Sorry, A, B, E, D. That is quadrant only A, B, E, D. First we will find out. Then this part not design, this triangle, isn't it? Then we will subtract area of triangle A, B, D. What you will get? This design region you will get, isn't it? Then if you consider from opposite side, what will happen? Same thing only. First we will find out area of quadrant C, D, then F, B, then we will subtract this triangle, isn't it? Same process we are doing 2 times. That's why I am multiple with 2. 2 into area of sector A, B, D. So it's like, keep in mind, A, B, E, D. First we will find out area of sector A, B, E, D. Then after we will subtract triangle, area of triangle A, B, D. Then you will get only this part. Then same process if you do this opposite side, in here also same answer you will get. 2 times we are doing, that's why I just multiple with 2. Then 2 into area of sector, which formula we will use? That is theta by 360 pi r square minus area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. What is base in here? This side, that is AB. into height. Height means AD. Two into theta. Theta already we are at 90 degree. 360 into pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7 into r square. Radius is 8. 8 square minus 1 by 2. AB. AB is 8. Then AD. AD also 8. 4 times. Two into 0 0 cancel. 9 and 36 cancel 4 times. 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 8 square. 8 square we can write 8 into 8 minus then remaining 8 into 4 remaining we can directly write 32. 32. 2 into in here 4 and 8 cancel 2 times. Then multiple 22 into 8 into 2. First do it. 22 into 2 44 into 8 44 44 into 8 if you are doing you will get 352. 352 divided by 7 minus 32. Then take LCM. 2 into LCM is 7. 352 minus 32 into 7. 32 into 7. When you take LCM, here no denominator, that's why we multiple with 7. And 2 into 352 minus 32 into 7. 14 remainder 1 21 22. 2 2 4 all divided by 7. 2 into 352 minus 224 you will get 8 in here, 2 in here, 128. 128 by 7 equal to, we have to multiple with 2 also. 2 into 128 multiple, then 6 5 2. 256 divided by 7 centimeter square. Area of design we got 256 divided by 7 centimeter square. That is our answer.